Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the sounds and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down and find the option called vibration. Once you find it, tap on it, and right here we have two options. We have vibration duration and vibration intensity. Duration basically is how long the vibration lasts. We have the long and short. And then we have the intensity, and we have light and strong. So select the ones you like, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.